Recording now.
Alright, hurry up. Hell yeah, he's finna knock this day. He's finna pull it with that damn lawnmower. Little bitty, I don't know what the hell it is, Yokohama or whatever. Anyways, you see that motherfucker right there? I'll snatch that sumbitch over that. But anyways, that's what we doing right here with that little bitty lawnmower. He gonna snatch that little bitty wall down. Alright, ready? Let's go. I like to see the front end come up, and that motherfucker, that little sumbitch got pop one. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know. I think that that 2x4 was rotten. Burnt. Look at it. I would have had all that down by now. You know it, Adrian. Adrian! Hey, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Look at him, here we go, one more again. One more again, y'all. Minute 40 into it. I like to see that front end come up, boy, and that motherfucker laying on a 16 penny nail. No, I'm just playing, look at him, he's ready now. Oh shit, look. Oh fuck. Ah, damn. Look at this. Oh shit. That little motherfucker got some power. Dang. I should have been right here with it. Oh, you would have seen both of them. Look at it. Look, that's a bad little motherfucker. Who the fuck? Little motherfucking snap or shit. Put that motherfucker in the damn tractor pull. There you go.
I wouldn't want to hurt nobody's feelings. We killing it.